Good morning, world. So today, new day, new adventure. But first thing first, having a good breakfast. So I just ordered a kind of brioche here with ham and cheese. Very soft. On the west coast of Sicily lies a picturesque city, Trapani. With its seagull shape from the Greek Drepanon, it has an enviable geographical position between two seas at the foot of Mount Erice and the famous Saline, that we will visit later on in our video.
Actually, we are in the fish market square, and here was used to be the fish market, but actually, how you can see, is in totally abandoned. We couldn't start the Trapani street food without one of the best food here in Sicily, the sfincione. Wow, this is good. All mine.
No! So it's a really beautiful city. I can't say anything about it except that everything is closed for lunch. I don't understand why. We can't even find a restaurant to eat. So maybe we'll try to find the market nearby to taste some good food. Our last stop here is at Petito, and we've ordered one bread with veal inside, with cheese, and I just hope that I'm going to pronounce it well. The name is pane macausa.
Cameusa.
Cameusa. It's really tasty. This bread is really cheap, it's around 2.5 euros, so it's really well priced.
Unfortunately, we couldn't show to you more street food because almost all the places were closed. So, now we are going to take the car for our next destination. See you there!
Saline di Marsala is a real lagoon facing the island of Mozia. The salt pans are located along what is called the Via del Sale. So guys, now we are actually on a boat tour and we are visiting around the Saline di Marsala. For now I can see beautiful views around me. It's really beautiful, and if I'm not mistaken, there are 4 islands all around. The panorama is of exceptional beauty due to a totally natural landscape where time seems to have stopped. Chin chin!
We just arrived to Manzara del Vallo and it's already dinner time!
The best fish ever. Wow. So tender. Ooh. That's so good. But to be honest, I think it's quite expensive. Like, we paid like 18 euros for 4 shrimps.
So we can recommend you this restaurant. Yes, and this why. Big portion,
Really cozy,
fresh and very good food.
and the staff were really friendly.
So, for tonight, it's over.
See you!
See you tomorrow for new adventure. Bye bye.